How to buy Aura token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, as you can see, this token is available on CoinMarketCap. To be able to buy this token, what you need to do, just click here to copy token notice. As you can see, this token notice is under the base section. Now, open your BITGET wallet for that. Now, from the top right corner, select the base network. Now, as you can see, click on this plus icon and paste token notice in the search bar. As you can see, this is our token, but make sure to read that risk here before going and add this token to your wallet. Now, make sure to read all of the risk here on this page. Now, wait a few seconds to load it. Now, read that. And after that, what you need to do, just click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back and now keep searching until you find your token that you just added called Aura. Now after you find it, what you need to do, just click on it and now here click on swap. Now switch from here and from the top you select the token that you want to buy. For example, USDC, and now you can type how much you want to buy and here you will be able to see how much you receive. After that, click here on swap and you will be able to buy the token on your wallet. So this is how to buy Aura token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.